Are you looking for the best Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic C0 4K GPS Professional Drone. The Potensic C0 4K GPS Professional Drone is created for those who dream beyond the ground. It transforms every flight into an emotional story, where the sky becomes your stage and every movement feels alive. Its smooth control and stable design bring confidence with every takeoff, making it perfect for travelers, creators, and dreamers who love to see the world from a higher view. Its intelligence system helps you capture every detail with clear precision, turning simple moments into breathtaking visuals. Whether exploring mountains, beaches, or city skylines, it follows your direction with smooth motion and steady balance, giving your creativity the power to rise freely. The long 6-kilometer distance allows you to experience the thrill of exploring further while always staying safely connected through the smart return-to-home ability. Every detail of this drone reflects freedom, control, and beauty in motion. It is light, reliable, and thoughtfully built to make flying effortless for everyone. The Potensic C0 4K GPS Professional Drone opens a new way to express imagination from the air, where emotion meets innovation and every flight becomes a memory you will never forget. Number 2. Professional S159 GPS Drone. The Professional S159 GPS Drone brings an inspiring mix of technology and emotion, designed for those who want to capture life from a new angle. It awakens a feeling of excitement with every takeoff, turning the sky into a playground of creativity. Its refined structure and thoughtful design make each flight steady and smooth, letting you focus on the beauty of your surroundings rather than control. The 8K high-definition dual camera opens a world of depth and detail, bringing your imagination to life through crystal-clear views. With intelligent movement and precise direction, it follows your vision effortlessly, allowing every moment to be recorded exactly as you feel it. Whether exploring city skylines, green hills, or evening skies, it adds a touch of wonder to every frame you capture. Its foldable body brings freedom and ease, inviting you to carry it anywhere and unfold your passion anytime. The Professional S159 GPS Drone connects your emotions with the art of flying, giving you a sense of control and adventure at once. Every journey becomes unforgettable as you see the world from above, not as it is, but as you dream it to be. Number 3. K919 MAX GPS Drone. The K919 MAX GPS Drone brings a feeling of power, freedom, and elegance to the sky. It captures emotion with every flight, transforming ordinary scenes into stories filled with depth and movement. Designed for those who dream of limitless views, it helps you see the world from new heights with steady control and graceful motion. Every direction feels smooth and confident, giving you the courage to explore farther and create something extraordinary. The 4K professional high-definition dual camera with a precise 3-axis gimbal brings your imagination into focus, turning moments into memories that feel alive. Its intelligence system moves naturally with your vision, allowing you to record the world in a way that feels personal and emotional. Whether you are exploring nature, city lights, or peaceful sunsets, it adds beauty to every frame with effortless balance and flow. Its smooth handling and advanced design make every journey an experience worth remembering. The K919 MAX GPS Drone is more than a flying device, it is a creative partner that helps you express your ideas from above. Every flight feels like art, every capture a story waiting to be told through your eyes.